Hey guys, today I am going to be updating you on my Peeping pan project progress. That is a mouthful to say, but this is a project with the Pantastic Ladies from Facebook, so it's a collaboration, and the idea is to have 4 to 6 products that you want to hit pan on, and it's a rolling project, so as you hit pan on something, you move it out and you move something new in. This is my second update. In my last update, I did hit pan on Indianwood, the MAC paint pot, so I rolled that out. So we will talk about everything that I've got in the project still. And first up is my Hylamide photography foundation. I did go on vacation in February and didn't bring this with me, so there wasn't really any usage on it. I just didn't really use it at all. And my goal in this is to get down to this line. So that's where like my hitting pan is halfway through the product. So no real update there, but I'll keep working on it. It seems like a product that might be better when it's like a little bit warmer or my skin is slightly less dry, because it's not doing great on my dry skin, but we'll see. I'll be working on it, you know? And up next is a foundation. And this is the MAC Mineralize Foundation in NC20. And hopefully you can see, but I did hit pan. So this item will be rolled out. I don't think this is like the best foundation for me. It's, I don't know, a little bit dry, I guess I would say. And just has like a weird smell. Like not a bad smell, just it has a scent that I don't love. So I'm not sure if I will be working on this soon to like finish it up or what I'm gonna do with it. But for now I hit pan and I'm gonna move it out. So the pan is like right here. So I did use about like 1.5 grams of this product in the last update. I do weigh my products. So it is moving out of this project, and at the end I'll show you what I'm replacing this item with. Then I got a few eyeshadows. My goal with these is to try to cycle through them. A lot of them are older, so if I do hit pan, I might just call them done and like move them out of my collection. So what I have here is Noble Touch from MAC. It's a domed eyeshadow, so I'm seeing kind of slow progress, but I definitely did try to use this a lot. I brought it on vacation with me and I used it. I did see less progress than last month, even though I felt like I was using it more. I only had 0.05 grams of usage, so I definitely gotta step it up, but I felt like I was using it a lot, so I don't feel terrible about it. There's definitely like a good wearing down of the side here. And I have been using both sides, but the pink side I do use more. So still enjoying it. It still looks nice and is performing, so I'm not upset that it's continuing, but I definitely want to get some more use on that. And here I have another MAC eyeshadow, and this actually had no progress because I rolled in a similar color. I know that was dumb, but this is Quarry, and I do still like this, but I gotta use this more as well. So now we'll go over what I replaced that with, which is this color. This is from the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette in Tease, and I forgot to weigh this at the beginning when I put it in the project, so I don't know how much progress I had, but I have been taking pictures, so I'll try to put a picture in here. I'm assuming this didn't see a whole lot of use, although more than Quarry. And then finally I have this, which is Foxy from my Naked 2 palette, and this feels so close to hitting pan, and I used 0.21 grams of the product, which is more than last month. When I used 0.12. Sorry, I keep looking down at the numbers, but there's like a very visible dip in the pan, and I feel so close to hitting, so hopefully that will be soon. And then just to make things even harder for myself, I'm going to put in this little eyeshadow. This is from a Pacifica palette that I depotted, and it doesn't have a name or anything, so just purple shimmery shadow. And I will be weighing this and then keeping track of it, but I'm not sure how much I like this shadow. I just didn't really know what else to put in here, so that's what I picked, and hopefully I hit pan on it soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to have some new items hit pan on in the next month, but hitting pan on one item a month doesn't seem terrible. Hopefully next month will be more than one though. The eyeshadows kind of seem like they're probably all gonna hit like at the same time. So we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, bye.